Hello, my name is Rayaan. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make chicken jalfrezi. We are using colorful peppers. As you can see, my daddy is cutting some peppers. Need half onions. He is cutting the onion in chunk. Let's heat up the pan on medium high. Add some oil. Now we're gonna put the finely chopped onion. Cook the onion until it's soft. Now we add the chicken cube. Let's mix. Add your garlic paste. Add your ginger paste. Give it a good mix. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Add your cumin powder. Add your coriander powder. Chili powder. Turmeric. Kashmir red chili powder. Finally, add the paprika. Give it a good mix. Cook them for a couple of minutes. Add some garam masala. Add some tomato puree. Give it a very good mix. Heat up another pan. Add the onion. Allow them to cook a little bit. Now we add the bell peppers. Allow them to cook a little bit. Now we put some salt and stir it well. Some black pepper. Add some water in the pan. Mix. Some garam masala. Add the pepper mixture into the chicken. Cook it for a couple of minutes. Heat soft. Then sprinkle fresh coriander. Our chicken jalfrezi is ready. It looks so delicious. I want to eat it again. This is the end of the video. See you. Bye.